Only one more step remains to finalize your application. Go back to the application form. After completing the application form, you will be directed to the application fee and bank information section. You'll need to provide the bank details used for transferring the application fee, as well as upload a copy of the payment receipt. Important: applications that do not include the uploaded warrant will not be processed, so please ensure this step is completed. When making the payment, be sure to use your unique reference number. This will help us easily identify and match your payment to your application. Once you've uploaded the payment receipt, simply click on Finish Attempt to complete your submission. Congratulations! Your application is now officially submitted. Next, we will begin evaluating your application. Please keep an eye out for notifications from the system or messages from us regarding the next steps in the process. To stay updated, check the bell icon for notifications or use the chat function for any messages we may send. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your application.